Hello fam, welcome back again to my channel. And if you're new by passing my channel, please just check my other videos, and I hope it motivates you to subscribe, so please do subscribe. And yeah, I hope you watch my last video, because in my last video I said I'm gonna start to post more often. So yes, and now here are we again for the next video. So today we are doing a full glam using affordable makeup, let's say all under $5, like, yes, and good products, by the way, not just cheaper qualities, but good that I could recommend if you want to start like learning how to do makeup. I think it's better if you start with affordable product and good one as well, that can really bring out your makeup good, and that you don't waste a lot of money away till you can really, when you're good at it, then you can, you know, spend money as much as you want on your makeup. So today we're doing a full glam. I try to make it easy much as possible and less time. Do subscribe, by the way, and I appreciate all your support, your liking, your sharing, and your subscribing as well. So let's just get started and not talk too much. Like I said, all products are less than $5 and the best I know so far. So if you have any question, do write it down in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. So let's get started. So guys, if you finally reached to this end of the video, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and if you have any question, don't forget to keep it down in the comment section. I'm so glad to answer. If you like this look, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yes, I hope you love this glam, and I hope you could learn something out of it. I tried to make it in detail much as possible, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Do stay bye.